so let's take it from the start, nice and slow. And this will be it. I'm just gonna show you guys just final, I suppose. I'll repeat this a couple of times, the whole tune, just so we can get it all nice recording. Let me see. Right to the very back. Here we go. No, sorry, I forgot to put the repeat back in for the A section. Even though I tried to remind myself to do it, I'm just going to do it now. There we go. Now let's do it all the way. I'm just going to repeat that little last part that we did because I keep forgetting it. Not that. This. I put repeat mark on. Oh. It didn't tick. Let's try that again. There we go. Same? Oh, you guys, is that the same as what we did before up here? Oh, please tell me it is, because then that'll make it so much easier to remember. It is. Oh, happy days. There's a connection that I never saw before, and only literally towards the end of the stream. This little time we went to E minor. Here. Yeah, so dun, 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 dun. If I just repeat those two bars just for a sec. should be the same as when we go to E minor down here. Dum, ba, ba. That's Happy Days. So I was what I was kept forgetting. I was thinking that am I doing the right thing here? Because it felt like I was doing something else, but I am doing something else. I'm doing the stuff that was up here for these two bars, down here for, so they are the same chord progression, but it's in the middle of this 4-bar phrase. Let me see. That's on the repeat of the B section, and here it's in the middle of this 4-bar phrase on the end of the A section. So it's the end of the A section here, but on the repeat of the B section here. So that's weird. It's exactly the same little movement that harmonizes completely different melody. So if I just take it from the top and see, can I just do it once or twice through without making complete balls of it? Here we go.